In today's video, we'll be comparing the Facebook Pages Manager and the Facebook Creator Studio, just to see what the similarities are between the two of them and to be able to decide when you need one or the other. Now let's jump into the video. When comparing these two apps, you see that there are striking similarities and even more outstanding differences between them. Looking at the similarities, first of all, you see that the main menu at the bottom here in the two apps look very much the same. Of course, it shows that they are components of the same parent app, Facebook. But besides that, there are a few other similarities I would like us to look at. Typical example of such similarities: from the Creator Studio, you can make posts. Of course, you can do the same thing using Facebook Page Manager. You can make posts, you can schedule posts, etc. You can see insights how your posts are doing both on Creator Studio and Facebook Page Manager. Now let's look at the differences. The differences here start where you want to make a post. The new post interface is very different in the Creator Studio compared to that of the Page Manager. Assuming you want to post a photograph, you tap on the photo, it gives you the standard Facebook post interface where you can select photo, you can add location, you can add your feeling or activity, you can even go live, etc. But in the case of the Creator Studio, it's very different. It just brings you here. Assuming we want to post a photograph, no other option to tag other pages, there's no option to add location. So let's select photo. Let's just pretend we want to post a photograph. Yes, it takes us into our gallery where you have to select a photograph and you can type a description here and then make your post. But in the case of Facebook Pages Manager, you tap on photo, it takes you into the gallery as well. You select on the photograph you want to post and you see have space where you can write stuff and but it gives you more options. Facebook Pages Manager gives you more options over Creator Studio. The next area I would like us to look for differences is when viewing page statistics. That is on the second tab here. You see that recent posts are listed here with the numbers accompanying them. Let's see what that looks like on Creator Studio. Let's go out of here. Let's go back. Now, once you open the Creator Studio, even before you go into the Insights panel, you already have basic insights here. So if you want to go to Insights, you click on Go to Insights, it takes you down here. You see the interface is very different and the approach to delivering the stats is also very different. In this case, they concentrate on video views and how long each video was viewed, and of course the engagement and the number of followers that were gained as a result of watching a certain video. So here it looks very much like the Creator Studio, the Facebook Creator Studio, more or less is focused towards users who post lots of video, okay? While the Facebook Pages Manager focuses more on general posts, just like you would have on your timeline, photos, videos, and other forms of posts other than just video. All right. Now let's look at the page management tools that are available in both apps, both the Facebook Pages Manager and the Creator Studio. If you look at the Facebook Pages Manager here, the last icon on the bottom right takes you into a detailed list of settings that you can use in managing your page, including ads. Okay, you can share photos, post drafts, scheduled posts. You can view your scheduled post here. You can view your post drafts here and photos. You can also manage ads, appointments, contacts, events, and even jobs from the Facebook Page Manager. Now let's look at the Facebook Creator Studio and see what administrative tools are available just in case you want to carry out some quick task on your Facebook page. So we see, first of all, that icon on the bottom right is not here. Instead of having the portfolio button, we have the notifications button. So let's click on that. It gives us some notifications. Here we have the inbox, here we have the insights, posts, and home. So from my observation, the Facebook Creator Studio does not have administrative tools as against Facebook Page Manager. But why is there a need for the Creator Studio? Why does it exist? Now let's take a closer look at the Creator Studio. let's try to post a video to Facebook. I believe that is where all the difference is, where the Creator Studio has an advantage over the page manager. Now, if you look at the video we're about to post, on the left hand side there is a button to enable you add thumbnail. Now this is where much of the difference is. If you click on that add thumbnail button, it allows you to select thumbnail from a scene in the video. Assuming you want to pick a scene in the video, you can pick this particular screenshot and set it as the thumbnail for the video before uploading. It also allows you to set video title, allow you to set video description, and other information that you would like to add alongside your video. So the Facebook Creator Studio is mainly for Facebook users who manage Facebook pages, that's number one, who post lots of videos. That is why even the insights on the Creator Studio is focused mainly on video views, number of minutes watched, engagement, and number of followers acquired as a result of watching those videos. Unfortunately, my stats are 0 right now, so you don't need to worry about that. So at this point, I believe we've seen the differences and the similarities between Facebook Pages Manager and Creator Studio. Now, if you've been able to watch the video up to this point, I feel this is a good time to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.